Hey neighbors, if you have pets, you probably have thought about putting together an emergency kit if they don't already have one, and that's what this video is all about. Before jumping in, don't forget to click that subscribe button. First thing you want to figure out is how many days worth of supplies you want for your cat. I have 3 cats. They eat twice a day, so I packed accordingly per day. I start with 1 pet carrier for each cat. 1 old towel that I use to cover up the pet carrier to reduce the cat from being overstimulated, a small water and food bowl, and some cat wipes. For the food and water ration, I put dry food in a storage container, soft food, cat snacks, and I figured 1 gallon of water for all 3 cats was sufficient. I can't stress this enough. Pack the foods that your pet is used to eating. This is definitely going to reduce their stress levels in a stressful situation already. One of the tricky things about having cats and being prepared for emergencies, what do I do if they have to go number 1 or number 2? My solution was potty pads. And don't forget to pack any special things that your pet might need, like medication or maybe some type of favorite toy that they're used to playing with. Before I sign off, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.